Okay. So, good evening everyone. Good evening to my fellow PE aspirants. Good evening PE mentors. Good evening to Sir Edgar Bernardino and Sir Robert Mabulay. Good evening, sir. To the Board of Electrical Engineering, Honorable Francis B. Mapili and Honorable Jaime B. Mendoza. Good evening, sir. First of all, I am grateful and honored to be a part in this interview session. I thank to the Lord for this blessing and to the IIE Cebu chapter for this great opportunity. I am Jess Steiner Gonzalo Valero.
I-click sa screen ito nga na.
I am Jess Steiner Gonzalo Valero. Just call me Jess. I am 42 years of age. I was born on December 24, 1983, just before Christmas Day in Liloan, Cebu. I am married, practicing Roman Catholic, and currently employed in Fast Services Corporation as project electrical engineer, located in Tayud, Consolacion, Cebu. My wife is Cecil Valero. She is 43 years of age, a pharmacist, and we got married last May 10, 2008. We've enjoyed 17 years together with our 4 children. 2 boys, John Tyner and Jess Benedict, and 2 girls, Therese and Philomena. And we are residing in Yati, Liloan, Cebu. Showing you my family pictures, celebrating the 50th wedding anniversary of my parents just this year. My father, Francisco, 76, a retired project admin from Metafil. And my mother, Milia Risa, a retired public high school teacher. My siblings are Giovanni, Rosel, Fanny, and Francis. Maria was deceased. We are so blessed because my parents work hard and dedicate their all effort. And then all of us graduated from college in a different course and attending in a different universities. Also, there's another picture for my siblings together with their partners and the 15 grandchildren in a big gathering in the family. My educational background started at Sugod Central School, year 1996. I then attended in my secondary at Bourbon National High School and graduated year 2000. I earned my BS Electrical Engineering at Cebu Institute of Technology University in year 2005. One of my memorable experiences during my college days is when I was the first runner-up at 2003 IIEE Regional Quiz Show. Here's my professional qualification, my college diploma, my PRC Certificate of Registration, and updated PRC license. My social and civic involvement, I am an active member of IIEE Cebu chapter, attending numerous seminars and events. And just this year, I conducted an electrical construction management, sharing my expertise to our fellow electrical practitioners. Aside from electrical engineering or technical information, I also an active member in Sinvep Namco. It is a nursery cooperative for farming. And I already have my own Lemoncito farm. For spiritual aspect, I am a member for Corpus for Christ. Sharing you my work profile after my college graduation, I worked in Metafil as a quality assurance inspector and assigned in Balamban, Cebu. Within that year, I transferred to Visayan Electric Company while reviewing my Registered Electrical Engineering Board exam. After I passed the REE board exam, I transferred to Dash Engineering Philippines, located in Mandawi City, Cebu, and being an electrical designer. For 3 years, as an electrical designer in Dash Engineering, the company sent me to Mitsui Engineering and Shipbuilding, our mother company located in Tokyo, Japan. I am an assistant electrical engineering, handled various petrochemical projects. After I got promoted, I assigned as project lead engineer, and then serving that company for 11 years. Just this October 2019, I transferred to Fast Services Corporation as project electrical engineer and electrical designer. The reason why I want to become a PEE is to achieve my dream, continuously seek improvement and implement of safety standard in the electrical engineering field since I am in the corporate world. And lastly, to increase career opportunities and to inspire fellow REEs to become PEE. My aspirations are to be a strong desire to uphold the dignity and integrity, contribute positively to the organization, and help guide my fellow PE aspirant in preparing their technical engineering report. And lastly, to continue fostering camaraderie within the organization. My commitment is to complete and submit the technical engineering report within the schedule or the prescribed deadline. The title of my proposed TER is Assessment Report on the Electrical System Design for 3 MVA Cold Storage of Fast Services Corporation located in Tayud, Consolacion, Cebu. Why I choose this title? It is because I was involved during the design and construction phase, the completion of the project until we turn over it to the operation team. Fast Services Corporation is a logistics company. It specializing in warehouse and distribution. It is owned by the Chongbian Group of companies. The purpose of this project is because the increasing demand for frozen products. So the company saw a big demand that the company like Virginia, Jollibee, Goldilocks, and other frozen food companies are increasing the demand. So the Fast Services Corporation saw the opportunity, especially here in Visayas and Mindanao. So they built their first cold storage warehouse, and it is located in Tayud, Consolacion, Cebu. The construction began on November 1, 2019 and was completed on June 30, 2021. Here is the technical information. Inside the electrical room, there is the location of 3 MVA transformer, the vacuum circuit breaker or VCB, the automatic transfer switch or ATS, and the step-down transformer. Of course, the 500 kW capacitor bank. Inside the MCC room, there is the location for the VFD or variable frequency drive. And there, in another location or in another room, the 3 MVA generator as well as the fire pump. Here is the single line diagram. Electricity supplied by Visayan Electric Company, going to the 3 MVA transformer with a protection of 630 ampere trip vacuum circuit breaker. Feed by the 4000 ampere trip bus duct going to the main distribution board with a protection of 4,000 ampere trip automatic transfer switch. The 3 MVA AC generator used as backup. Inside the main distribution panel are the circuit breakers for fire pump, capacitor, refer valve, battery charger, 230 volts load, and the refrigeration. The technical engineering report objectives. My objectives of this is to evaluate the operational efficiency. The cold storage has already been 4 years, so there are a lot of areas that need to improve. And of course, to present this assessment to the Fast Services Corporation to use as reference for their next project. My mentors, former Governor Brian A. Pasilan, Governor Erwin J. Salvador, and Engineer Noel B. Ratelia. They are not only my mentors for this report, but they help me give some suggestion, not just being for the report purpose, but for being as a professional. Acknowledgement to Almighty God and to my supportive family, and to the key IIEE personnel, Engineer Robert Mabulay, Engineer Edgar Bernardino, Engineer Raulito Balonado Jr., and to my mentors that I mentioned earlier, and to the Fast Services Corporation personnel, my heads, Engineer Manuel Santiago, Engineer Noel Pernia, and to the IIEE Cebu chapter officers and my fellow PEE aspirants. To the Board of Electrical Engineering, Honorable Francis B. Mapili, and Honorable Jaime B. Mendoza. It is my pleasure, sir, to meet with you. Again, my name is Jess Tyner Manzano Valero. Just call me Jess. I'm so happy to be here, and thank you so much for listening. And once again, good evening.
Yes, ubos ka ng pula tayo. Yeah.
Yes, so is there a, do we have